Take control. Automate smarter.
Hi shopper. If you're getting started with ShopperX, it's important to understand how the access keys work. ShopperX gives you full access with any valid key, whether it's a standard key or a test key. All features are fully unlocked, with no restrictions. We currently offer 3 types of keys: sh_e_ for users located in the United States, sh_can_ for users in Canada, and sh_freedis_, a free key available only to users who have never used ShopperX before. If you've used ShopperX in the past, the test key will not work. The system automatically detects your usage history and blocks test key activation if a key has already been used on your device. Now, how does the standard key work? The standard key is valid until you reach $1,200 in accepted batches through ShopperX, or for 30 days, whichever comes first. But here's an important detail. If you reach $1,200 in less than 7 days, your key will still remain active until the end of those first 7 days, no matter how much you accepted. So you'll always get at least 1 full week of usage. Now, why are there different keys for the US and Canada? It's simple. All pricing is based in USD. Since the Canadian dollar is currently worth about 25% less than the US dollar, we've added 25% more earning limit to the Canadian key to keep it fair and balanced for everyone. And now let's check where you can see your remaining key balance. To do that, open the ShopperX app, click on the main menu, and then select Output Log. There you'll find detailed information about how much is left, whether in days or in total accepted batch value. Now just click Close to return to the main screen of ShopperX. That's it, you're all set to make the most of your key. See you